Installing WordPress on your computer can help you test plugins, themes, or you can complete your website before publishing it on a live web server. And in this video, I will show you how to install WordPress on your computer. Before we get started, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This way, you can receive my upcoming videos. To install WordPress on your computer, go to google.com and search Bitnami WordPress. Now, click on Install WordPress. This link is also given in the video description. Click on it, and you will be redirected to this page. Now scroll down and select your operating system to begin download. In my case, it is Windows. Click on Download, and then click No Thanks, just take me to the download page. It will start downloading Bitnami WordPress. Once it is downloaded, click on it. Now, select the preferred language to begin WordPress installation. Click on Next. Next. Select the folder location where you want to install WordPress. Now, enter your name, email address, username, and password. This username and password will be used to log in your WordPress website on your computer. Click on Next. Enter your website name and click on Next. Next. Uncheck this box if you don't want to launch WordPress in the cloud with Bitnami, and then click Next. Click on Next to begin the installation process. Installation time depends on the performance of your computer. Once installation is finished, make sure to launch WordPress package by Bitnami checkbox is marked and click on Finish. It will take you this page. Now click on Access WordPress. It will take you to your locally installed WordPress website homepage. As you can see, WordPress is installed successfully. To log in and type localhost/WordPress/WP-admin. Enter your username, password, and click on Login. Once you are logged in, you can start building your website. That's it for this video. In the next video, I will show you how to transfer your WordPress website from localhost to web server. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. See you in the next video.